So, taking a little break from our usual American LA broadcast of stuff I got up to when I was over there on holidays. So, I'm down outside Manor Club Ride, taking it easy and relaxing. Yeah, so it's just a little video. Something keeps flying by me, I don't know what it is. It's awfully big for a dragonfly, but very small for a bird. But yeah, don't forget to give a like and a comment and subscribe if you like what you see. But yeah, this is just me messing around. Down by the river. So, kind of dullish, but I think I'll get the drone. I have it with me. I might fly it up and down like I did before. See how far we can get. Just hit jump across. Out of curiosity. Right, jump across maybe. Yep. At least it wasn't wet moss. So I have not been here in a while. I haven't been out with my camera in a while, to be honest. It's really nice down here in autumn when the colours of the trees change. Looks like nature started to try and make its own little dam. And then humans, goddamn humans. But this isn't a big place. Like, you walk up and down it in 5 or 10 minutes, and you're done. It's just one of those nice places to visit. Oh look, more rubbish from humans. What the hell is that? Sack of potatoes? Fire. Sack of timber. Somebody brought some woods to the woods. And lit a fire. Of course they did. There's some bluebells. Poking their heads out. Haven't smelt any wild garlic yet. More bluebells. And a tin tray. Excuse me. Right, so let's try the drone and see what happens. Try slowly bring it up. Some very ambitious swing, a very thin piece of rope. Yeah. Zoom again. Boom. And the camera isn't really doing the colour much justice here. It's a lot more oranger in real life. Oranger? Orangey. I wonder can I fly the drone straight through the middle of it. I guess there's only one way to find out. I'm in this side, see. I reckon I get the drone low and slow. It's like a little ravine. Somebody tried to do a spiral and get the moss to grow on it. There was a really big one down there. I'll go down and see it in a minute. But somebody scraped it off and it was going for years and looked deadly, but some a-hole messed it up. So I turned the mic back on this time. Get crap at this whole talking on the video malarkey. Yeah, but if you like what I get up to, you can like, comment, subscribe, send me a message, have a chat, ask me where things were. But yeah, there's where the spiral was, and see somebody's tried to do another one, but it's not as intricate as the last one. The last one was on the rock above it. There, the big one. You can kind of still see it. But like, gorgeous down here. I don't know why the colour is not doing it justice on the camera. My main point is get out when you can, have a look around. Like, look how green and nice it is down here. So if you can get out, I should probably get a better camera for these little vlogging type of thingies. If I get bigger on YouTube, maybe I will. I'm happy with 200 subscribers, so long as the 200 people are happy with me. I'll just make little videos. But yeah, first I need to finish my camper van, and then we'll worry about what we're doing on YouTube and cameras and whatnot. If I get too involved, I'll buy too much tech too soon and get in trouble. But yeah, get out and explore, even for a few minutes. Have a look around. I'm probably the worst person to make videos, but hey, keeps me busy, keeps me honest. Till next time, bye bye.